What's up, everybody? I hear a lot of you guys are regrowing your rooted vegetables in order to grow new rooted... What the f***? Sorry about the interruption. We are recycling rooted vegetables by planting them in glass... What the f***? Come on. Seriously, I apologize for the interruption. We're regrowing rooted vegetables in glasses of water. Does anybody close the door around here? Like I was saying, and this door's open too. Come on. We are regrowing rooted vegetables in glasses of water, and this is Celerywatch 2020. Roll those credits. That was day number 1. Remember to follow Celerywatch 2020 for all future updates. Roll those credits.